What's going on, y'all? This your boy JB Trucking back with another video. Hey man, I'm finna help you guys walk through your first booking on a load. I'm finna give you all a rundown of what you need to know and what you need to do when booking your first load. And let's get right into it. All right, check it out, y'all. Let's go. We finna get right into it. So let's say I wanna book this load right here, right? What I'll do is I'll call, get the information, the dimensions. Like 9 out of 10, sometimes it might not have all this right here, the length, the height, and everything like that, or the weight. So 9 out of 10, you just call on it, ask what it is. They'll tell you the dimensions and things like that. Ask about when it need to be picked up, when it need to be dropped off. And then from there, you will want to negotiate a better rate. I'll probably negotiate this rate probably about like $900 or something like that, $950. And then, yeah, so let's say they agree to the rate. They then will send you over a carrier packet. They will then send you over a carrier packet. A carrier packet is, it's basically like an agreement between you and the broker, and you will have to sign, pretty much fill in everything that it pertains to the carrier. So it'll ask you for like the business name. Let me see if I find one here. Let me see. Nope. Bear with me 1 second. All right, you guys, I found one. So when they send you over a carrier packet, this what it will look like. It'll be something like this. Not all of them the same. Some of them may be different. It might be like a link that you click on, and then it'll pretty much have all your information from when you registered to get your MC. All that information is in a database called Safer. That then will be pretty much like a link when you click on it. When the broker send you a carrier packet, it might either be this or it might be a link that they send you, and they will have all your information already pre-filled out, and all you have to do is just kind of verify it and kind of put in some other information. So that's what a carrier packet look like. You will just pretty much fill in your business name, the address. I just put the street name and things like that, the city. You know, I don't put my full address. They can find all that stuff on the website. For the most part, they just want you to fill out this stuff, you know, like the best as you can. And then, you know, like I said, it's a broker agreement. You know, it just pretty much give you all like the guideline. You know, you'll scroll all the way down, and then you'll fill out this part right here. You know, you'll put your business name, you will sign, and then you will email it back over to the broker. So once they get your carrier packet, that's when you will also send them over your insurance certificate, which is proof of insurance. Also, your insurance certificate, your MC certificate, which is basically like a document of, you know, when you first started your service date. And then you will also send them your W-9 for tax purposes. So those are the 3 things that you will need to send over, and that's what I call carrier documents. You know, save them in the file so you can, you know, have easy access to just send it over quickly to an email. And that's what I do. I just have all these 3 documents saved in my file. I just send them over quick, you know, and they send you over a rate con. A rate con is basically the amount that you guys agreed on, how much money you agreed to move that freight. That's what a rate confirmation is. They call it rate confirmation. That's pretty much it for, you know, booking your first load. Those things are, it's just that easy and simple. Once you start doing it yourself, I recommend anybody, you know, that's out there, just start booking your loads, just so you can kind of get the idea of how, you know, the process work. You know, because like when you have somebody else do it for you, then it's be like you will have like no clue of what, you know, the brokers are talking about, or what information or what documents that you need to send to them. So kind of book your first few loads by yourself so you can get that down, you know, down packed. What I have here is pretty much like things that you also would know, because I didn't know these things when I first started. Truck order not used. So if you run into an instance where a broker book your truck and they end up canceling it, or for whatever reason, you can charge them and bill them a truck order not used for, for wasting your time or whatever, or, not wasting your time, but basically just, booking your booking your truck and they not utilizing it. So you can charge them anywhere between $150 all the way up to $300. Now, most of these brokers gonna go the cheap route and try to pay you the minimum possible. If, some of them probably just give you 100, but me, I need $150 minimum. You might have some good brokers that's out there that pay you 200, 250, 300. I've came across where two of them pay me 250 and another one pay me 300. Most of them want to go the cheap route. So that's what that is, truck order not used. So also detention time. Detention time is basically when you waiting to be loaded or offloaded on the site when you arrive, and then also when you leave. But that don't kick in. You have to be there waiting for 2 hours for you to get paid detention time. It sounds crazy as heck, I know, but that's what they have set up for rules or whatever. Me, by us being owner operators, if you are an owner operator, hey, if I'm waiting for an hour, I'm calling you, hey, look, I've been waiting here for an hour. That hour is basically being wasted, or whatever case. You could have been on your way to go drop off another load or picking up another load or whatever. That hour is a lot, you know what I'm saying? In this game, everything is timing, man. Everything, every time, every second, every minute, every hour count. So I'm not finna sit here and wait 2 hours just to get paid $50 or something like that, So me, I'll call. If I'm waiting for an hour, I'm calling. I don't care what they say. Like I said, I'm an owner operator. I don't have a company backing me up or nothing like that, or that will cover my, expenses or whatever. So, respect it, us being owner operators, we small businesses. So that's pretty much it for all those right there. Then also for your carrier packet, it's real simple, y'all. It's real simple. Sorry for the dirty screen. What else? Oh, so another thing, when you book in a load, right, you might have a broker that will say, I need you to add me as a certificate holder. So what they mean by that is, all you will do is call whoever your insurance is through. So like, let's say, for example, I have Progressive. So when a broker tell me that they need to be added as a certificate holder, what I'll do is I'll call Progressive, or I'll go on the website and add them myself. It's basically just putting them, like as it stated, as a certificate holder, on your insurance or whatever. You can call Progressive, they'll do it or whatever. Mind you, it'll be a $20 fee for the first time, and then after that, you get unlimited. You can do it for unlimited times. They will then, ask you the information. Who do you want to add as a certificate holder, address and things like that. They will then add it. You'll verify it. They will email it back to you. Then after that, you will email it to the broker. Some brokers want them. Some brokers want to be listed as a certificate holder. So that's another thing I needed to throw out there for y'all, just in case if y'all run into it and you clueless, I got your back. For all my iPhone users or whatever, you can also download Adobe Fill and Sign. That's what I use a lot. So when I get an email from a broker, all I do is open that email and take it here, and then I'll fill it out myself and also sign. This is pretty much like the only one I use. I sometimes use Adobe Scan and to scan a document and add it as a PDF. But though, like for those are like the only two that I use, and also have files. Another way to stay organized is I got my carrier packet set up for remember I told y'all I got the 3 little documents, the insurance cert, MC cert, and my W-9. All those is right here in my folder. I also keep my proof of insurance, my LLC, all that up in this folder, and I keep all my Raycons in this folder. So every Raycon that I get, I save it in this folder, and now I can go back and reference everything that I've done, and also for my tax purposes when it's time to file taxes, y'all. And that's it for this video. I hope somebody that's out there being, you know, new with trucking, also getting a foot wet, getting into the industry. I was clueless when I first started. You know, I didn't know none of them acronyms or none of that stuff. Or, you know, when somebody say send over your, you know, documents as far as MC cert, all the other stuff, insurance cert, I'm like, what the heck is that? So with that being said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate y'all for being a support, you know, and helping your boy out with the views. And, you know, I'm gonna keep bringing y'all these informative videos. It's crazy. I didn't go out this week, bro. Like, I took this week off to rest. I've been on the load board and looking at loads, but I really didn't, you know, it really wasn't no loads that was worthwhile for me moving. I'm not gonna take no cheap freight. So next week I'm going hard. The week after I'm going hard. September and October I'm going hard. So I'm gonna leave y'all to it, man. Y'all have a safe weekend and y'all be blessed out there.